Papa's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. This is going to be install number 48. This is the big one that Luke went and got for me because I was working. I was give out. So he went and got it, and they were hanging. He saw the queen, put her in the box, brought her home. So we're going to put them in a 10 frame too. Oh, got two bottom boards stuck together. Alright. We'll put them in a 10 frame and we'll be checkerboarding it just like we did the other one. Because I'm hoping that there's a whole bunch of bees in this box. Because that was one good size swarm. So that was a couple of days ago. Monday or Tuesday, I guess. I had just been by there 2 or 3 days before and saw it. Oh yeah, that's a bunch of bees. That's a pretty swarm right there. Knock them off the top. Pretty. I get my marking. Just in case I see her, I'll go ahead and mark her. They've been in. I don't like to do that the very next day, but these have been in here a couple of days, so they'll be all right tomorrow. He didn't tell me how they were nature-wise, but now they're doing some drawing. They're working on that one, both sides. Working on this one. About got this side drawn out. Got that side drawn out. See any eggs in it yet? Which if she's on that frame laying, I wouldn't be able to see. I can't see them till they're 3 days old and they lay down. I'm working on that one. This is the bait frame here. So I'm gonna look at them over here. That way if they fall like those just did, they fall in the box. I do know that he saw the queen because the box that he put them in, he went ahead and put the queen in this box before he shook them. And they all strolled right on in. Just like they're supposed to. They got that all drawn. There she is right there. She's one of them little short dark ones. She's pretty. They just don't seem to get as big as them big caramel looking ones do. There she is. We're going to get a marker on her really quick. And they got that drawn out. She's working on it. I can see eggs in it. She's laying a good pattern. Go ahead and get her marked while I got her. Alright. Let's let that makeup dry while I finish the install. So they've got that 100% drawn and she's laying it up. They got that 100% drawn. And I can't really see anything on that one. We'll checkerboard a frame on this one. And here's the last frame of our 5. Completely drawn out, full of bees, looking good. Girls have been putting in work. So they'll probably have that 10 frame drawn out another couple of days. I'm missing a frame. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I'm missing a frame. What'd I do with it? Oh well. They're going down. I think what I'm going to do is girls are strong enough, I'll throw these in here with them and let them figure it out. No more bees than there is here, they'll figure it out pretty quick. And if they don't, there's enough of them other ones that we'll just go ahead and take them out. Box full of bees. Ouch! I just got stung in the back. You can believe that. I've been over and pulled tight, and a bunch of bees. Pulled the back on my suit tight. She got me right in the back. All right, from Mama Lou. There she goes. There. Let these girls figure it out really quick. They'll settle down in a minute. Alright, so those girls are installed. We got one more install to do. Pop Bees, Funny Bug Bees, and Woodworks. Please like and subscribe.